Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will run 8051 based mini project. Name of the mini project is password based security system. At the middle, there is a 8051. At left side, 4x4 matrix keypad is interface via P1 port. At right, there is a 16x2 LCD which is a interface via P2 port. 4-bit mode of LCD is used for displaying any information. At right bottom, there is a DC motor which is an interface via motor driver L293D and there is a LED. Here, 4 rows of matrix keypad are interface via lower 4 bits of P1 port. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 columns of matrix keypad, out of which only 3 columns are interface with P1 port of 8051. Here, the right column of buttons is not being used because this one is unconnected. Now let's discuss numbers on buttons. This is a number 0, this is a number 1, this is a number 2, this is a number 3, this is a number 4, this is a number 5, this is a number 6, this is a number 7, this is a number 8, this is a number 9. Keep in mind, number 9 is for on button. This is number 10 and this is a number 11. Now we have to press any 2 keys to test the keypad. So let's press any 2 buttons. This one and this one. So number 3 and 4. So 3, 4 is appearing onto this LCD. Now press on button to unlock the keypad. So on button is here. So press it. Then it will ask us to enter the 4-digit password. So my password is a 4427. Basically, it is a number of my bike. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. 4, 4, 2 and 7. So password is entered correctly. And that's why it is showing message access granted, door unlocked. At the same time, this motor will get start rotating and LED will turn on. After 5 seconds, motor will get off and LED will get off. So both the things are now off. Now again it is showing press on button to unlock the keypad. So press on button. Now I will enter wrong password 0, 1, 2, 3. Password is wrong and that's why it will show message password doesn't match. For that, a program is written in C language. So I will come to the Keel software. This is my C program. I have included 4 different files. First file is a register file. After that, delay file, then get key file and LCD file. A delay file is here, which is used for calling particular delay. Second file, get key button, a get key subroutine file. I have mentioned which columns have been used and I'm using P1 port. And this is the program by using we are doing some calculation after pressing button on keypad and we are returning a particular value in k variable. This is the LCD subroutine. Here I have mentioned which pins of LCD are being used for 8051. This subroutine I am using for giving specific command to this LCD. Then this subroutine I am using for displaying particular character onto the LCD. This subroutine I am using for initialization of LCD. Then this subroutine I am using for displaying particular string onto the LCD. Now let's come to the main program. In the main program, I have included all the files. Then I have mentioned where exactly the output devices, that means LED and motors, have been interfaced. Then a variable is taken and these variables are stored in code memory. Variables are number from 0 to hash. These numbers we are displaying onto the LCD. Then in the main program, I have taken these 4 different variables M1, M2, M3, M4. Basically in these variables, I will be storing the information about which buttons have been pressed. Then turn off LED and motors terminal initially, and then I have interface LCD at P1 port. So give wake up time for LCD, then initialize the LCD and display a message on LCD, password based security system. Wait for some time. Here we are waiting for 5 seconds, and then displaying a message, press any two keys to test the keypad. And we are allowing user to press button on 16:2 LCD, and after that we are allowing user to press a button, and same information we are displaying onto the LCD. After pressing two buttons, we are waiting for 2 second time, and then we are entering into the main part. In the main part, we are displaying message, press on button to unlock the keypad. And again, we are allowing user to press button on the keypad. If on button is pressed, that means number 9 is pressed on keypad, then we are jumping to the main program. Main program is, or menu program. Main program is here. Otherwise, that means if on button is not pressed, then we are going back. Going back means we are coming here again, and we are allowing user to press on button again. If on button is pressed correctly, then we are displaying message like enter password, and we are taking password from the user, and we are allowing user to press 4 different buttons. And after pressing particular button on keypad, we are displaying star onto this LCD. After 2 seconds, we are checking what password is entered. If password is a 4427, then we are displaying a message access granted, door unlock. And at the same time, we are turning on the motor and we are turning on the LED. We are waiting for 5 seconds after turning on LED and motor, and again we are turning off LED and we are turning off the motor, and we are clearing the screen of LCD. If user has not pressed correct password, then we are displaying message password doesn't match, and we are keeping LED and motor off condition. And again we are waiting for 5 seconds. Once this thing is done, then we are jumping to the again into the while statement. This is how we have developed the code. You will get code into the description. Thanks for watching my video.